In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the XLOOKUP function to return multiple columns here in Google Sheets. So I've already made a video on how to use the XLOOKUP function, and in that video, we only returned one match. But for this example, I'm going to try and show you how to return multiple columns or multiple results with the same formula. So let's get started. We have our sample data right here. I have my purchase order sheet and my customer sheet. In this customer sheet, I'm going to use the same XLOOKUP formula to return multiple columns right here. So let's get started. Let's put in our formula right here. Start with your equal sign. Put in XLOOKUP or select it right there. And right below it, we have our formula or our syntax. So we're going to start with our search key. And for this one, it's the customer's name. Let's click on that, comma. For our lookup range, this is where the customer's name is going to be looked up. Let's go to the purchase order sheet and just click on the column where the customer names are. There we go. And in the formula, you will see that it is referenced to our table, which is the purchase order table with the column B, comma. Next part would be our result range. Now, if you're only looking for one result, whichever column it would be, then you can just select that. But in this example, again, we are going to have multiple results. So we can select all of these columns right here, or maybe just 3 or 4. That's totally up to you, depending on what you're trying to look for. And you can just close that off, press enter, and there you have it. We have the results of our product, our quantity, the price, and a total purchase. So we don't just get one result, we have multiple results right here. And if we drag this formula down, there you have it. Now let's say you want the returns or the results in a particular order. Let's say you want the total purchase first, then the product purchase, then the quantity, then the price. We can definitely do that by just adding the HSTACK function within our formula. So let's go ahead and delete that and edit our formula right here. We can do that here or right here in our formula bar. That's totally up to you. I'm just going to do it right here. So I'm going to delete the results range. There you go. And I'm going to add the HSTACK formula. Here we have it. And now we can just select the range or the columns that we want in order. So again, I'm going to start with the total purchase. So I can just click on that first. There you have it, comma. Again, we have the table references right here. Purchase order, which is our table name, and the column, which is F. Next one would be, let's say, our product purchase, which is our column C, comma. Our quantity, column D, comma, and our price, which is column E. Close that off with 2 parentheses because we have the HSTACK and now the HLOOKUP. If we press enter, there you have it. We have our results in the particular order that we wanted, which is our total purchase first, then a product, quantity, and the price. Again, if we drag this down, there you have it. We have successfully returned multiple results with the HLOOKUP function here in Google Sheets. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, do leave a like and subscribe for more helpful videos. See you on the next one.